Struggling to find out if job applicants really know how to use Microsoft Office? Resumes can be misleading. With the Microsoft Office test from EmployTest, you can check if your applicants have the real-world skills in Office. This test identifies people who can handle daily tasks without needing extra training. It covers the most important tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It helps you spot employees who are fast, accurate, and ready to work in any office. This test is perfect for hiring administrative assistants, project managers, support staff, and any role that uses Microsoft every day. Adding this test to your hiring process is simple and quick. The questions are Office simulations, not multiple choice, and check if a candidate knows how to format text and paragraphs correctly, write formulas, create professional slides, manage a calendar, and organize emails in different Microsoft Office programs. You'll get an easy-to-read report that breaks down exactly how the candidate performed, which proves their skills before you hire them. That's a quick look at our Microsoft Office test. It is the best tool to help you build a team that is computer literate and productive on day one. Visit employtest.com for more details.